Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to explore an essential but often overlooked aspect of our daily lives, sleep. We all know that sleep is crucial, but how deeply do we understand its impact on our health? In this session, we'll dive into the science of sleep, its benefits, and the consequences of sleep deprivation. Let's begin by understanding what sleep is. Sleep is a complex biological process essential for life. It consists of several stages, including REM, or rapid eye movement, and non-REM sleep. Each stage plays a vital role in maintaining various aspects of our health. For instance, non-REM sleep is crucial for physical restoration, while REM sleep is associated with cognitive functions like memory consolidation and emotional processing. Sleep plays a pivotal role in our physical health. Here are some of the key benefits. First, immune function. During sleep, our immune system releases proteins called cytokines, which help combat infections and inflammation. Chronic sleep deprivation can weaken our immune response, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Next, cardiovascular health. Adequate sleep helps regulate blood pressure and reduces stress on the heart. Studies have shown that people who consistently get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night have a lower risk of developing heart disease. Lastly, metabolic health. Sleep affects how our body processes glucose and regulates hormones that control appetite. Poor sleep can lead to weight gain, increased insulin resistance, and a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. Sleep is not just vital for our physical health, it also profoundly affects our mental well-being. Cognitive performance. Sleep enhances learning, memory, problem-solving skills, and creativity. A good night's sleep helps us retain information and perform better in tasks that require focus and attention. Emotional regulation. Lack of sleep can lead to mood swings, increased irritability, and a greater susceptibility to stress. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation is linked to mental health disorders such as anxiety and depression, decision-making and risk perception. Sleep impacts our ability to make decisions and assess risks accurately. Sleep-deprived individuals tend to make impulsive decisions and may not fully consider the consequences of their actions. Now that we understand the benefits, let's look at the other side of the coin. What happens when we don't get enough sleep? Short-term effects. Even one night of poor sleep can lead to difficulty concentrating, impaired memory, and slower reaction times. It can also negatively affect our mood and interpersonal relationships. Long-term effects. Chronic sleep deprivation is associated with a host of serious health issues, including obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even an increased risk of certain cancers. It can also significantly reduce life expectancy. Impact on daily life. Persistent lack of sleep can reduce productivity, increase the likelihood of accidents, and decrease overall quality of life. So how can we improve our sleep quality? Here are some tips. Establish a routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using earplugs, an eye mask, or a white noise machine if necessary. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Try to avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime. Watch your diet. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol before bed. These can disrupt your sleep cycle and make it harder to fall asleep. Stay active. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. However, try not to exercise too close to bedtime. In conclusion, sleep is a fundamental pillar of our health, alongside diet and exercise. By prioritizing sleep and making small changes to our daily habits, we can improve our overall well-being, enhance our quality of life, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this session has highlighted the importance of sleep in maintaining a healthy life.